welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I steam block my knitted and crocheted pieces. So if you want to see how to steam block, then just keep watching. Alright, so this is the piece that I'm steam blocking today. It's just the knitted panel for a new pattern that I'm working on. So as you can see, it looks fine. So the purpose of steam blocking is to set your stitches into place. So once I steam this, you'll see that it will grow a little bit. Blocking your item does make your piece grow and it will sit and look prettier in the end. So there's two types of blocking that you can do. You can do steam blocking and you can do wet blocking. My personal favorite is steam blocking just because it's faster. It's not always the best method. For certain pieces, wet blocking may be the better option. So you just want to make sure your piece is laid out nice and flat. I'm just doing this on my bed. You can do this on a towel, on the floor, on an ironing board. I don't have an ironing board, so I'm just going to use my bed. For this piece, I'm blocking it on the front side. If you're doing a cable knit piece, you would want to block it on the back side so you can ensure that you don't flatten your cables. You don't want to flatten your cables because that's not pretty. But as you can see, this is the back side. I've already weaved in all of my ends and I'm going to begin blocking. What I use to block is my Steam Master ironing. It's by Sunbeam. It's just a basic iron that has a steaming feature. So that is what I'm using today. I have it set on a setting that allows me to steam. It has a little bit of water in it. I probably should fill it up, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna set you guys down right here. So what you wanna do is you want to place your iron over the work. You want to make sure that you're not putting it right on top of it. You're not ironing the piece, you're steaming it. So you want it to sit a couple inches above it, and then you just go ahead and you steam it. And then as you steam it, you kind of want to give it a tug. As you tug, you will feel your stitches kind of move a little bit. I'll show you a comparison once I'm finished with the first half, and you can see how it kind of makes your piece grow a little bit. So I've steamed the first half of my panel here, and as you can see, this sits a lot higher than this part. I've steamed this side and this side has not been steamed. So as you can see, the stitches are a little bit further apart. This is how they should naturally be sitting anyways. And then these ones are like really close together still. So steaming them allows them to stretch out in the way that they're supposed to be. It sets them into place and it will give you a cleaner piece in the end. This is important if you're seaming things together, such as a garment, or you have a blanket that you just finished. It'll really make your stitches lay clean, especially when you do cable knits. So I'm just gonna give you another look at the difference of the steamed pieces. I steamed to about here, and then this side has not been steamed yet. So it really does make a difference in the quality of your work. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam this other side, and I will come back to you and show you when it's all finished. All right, and here is my piece, nice and freshly steamed. As you can see, it looks nice and uniform now. If there's any bumps on the edges, those are the ends that I weaved in. But you can see that the stitches lay really nicely now. So you can see there's a little bit of a space in between there, as there should be, opposed to them sitting super close together. We don't want that. And it's nice and flexible now. I find that typically when I knit pieces, they're not as flexible right whenever I finish them as I'd like them to be. So I always give them a quick steaming and it really does make a difference. All right guys, and that's how you steam block. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see what that piece turns into, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have the link in the description box along with my Etsy shop and other information that you may want. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later.